In today's video, I'm going to be sharing the top 10 winning products that you need to be selling right now. Hey guys, welcome to Everyday Trends. Our channel is all about product research and helping you find winning products to sell on your Shopify store. To have a successful online store, spotting winning products before anyone else is a vital skill. We at Everyday Trends do this for you, so all you have to do is watch our videos. Stay tuned and keep watching till the end. You might just find a product that will bring you massive profit. Don't forget to smash the like button. Our first product is for people who like playing music, the roll-up piano keyboard. This gives you the ability to produce high-quality music anywhere and anytime. There are multiple modes to make each piece sound more interesting and unique. It has a perfect 5 stars and not yet a lot of orders on AliExpress. This product is unique and untapped, so you can take advantage of this. This is the perfect gift for people who love playing the piano or for those who just want to learn. You could sell this for $69.99, while the product costs only $32.19. Shipping is free, so you're looking at an excellent profit margin of $35. If you think that product is going to make you rich, just wait till you see number 1. The next product is for people with painful backs or butts, the pain relieving cushion. This provides you with full body posture support, helping you get over aches and pains in an instant. Made with 100% premium memory foam designed to cushion your lower body in all the right places. It has 4 stars on AliExpress and a good amount of orders. Similar products were also winners before on the market. This is perfect for when you want to prevent hemorrhoids, improve sitting posture, and relieve spinal pain. Talk about a major problem solver. You could sell this for $49.99, while the product costs only $26.66. Shipping is free, so you're looking at a very good profit margin of $23.33. The next product is for kids who love Spider-Man, the Spider-Man glove. You can launch it against glass or the ground. It's a great addition to a Spider-Man costume, perfect for this holiday season. It has 4.7 stars on AliExpress and not yet a lot of orders. This product is unique and untapped, so you can take advantage of this. Who doesn't want to be like Spider-Man? I'm a grown man, but I still do. You could sell this for $24.99, while the product costs only $3.44, and shipping is $1.27, so you're looking at a solid profit margin of $20.28. The next product is for people who have phones and laptops, the laptop phone holder. It attaches to the back of your laptop and phone via magnet. It allows a multi-display computing experience and extends your screen. Buyers on AliExpress are happy about it with 4.6 stars and a good amount of orders. This product is unique and convenient. It appeals to a broad audience. Now people can work on their laptops and watch TikTok memes at the same time. You could sell this for $19.99, while the product costs only $6.95. Shipping cost is free, so you're looking at a good profit margin of $13.04. The next product is for those who want to have a well-lit patio, but don't want to pay higher electric bills. The patio deck lights. You can easily put them on walls, patios, stairs, or just about anywhere. They don't require hefty installations or any maintenance at all. It has 4.7 stars on AliExpress and a good amount of orders. Similar products were also winners before on the market. The lights are environmentally friendly thanks to power of solar. Perfect for hippies and vegans. You could sell this for $29.99, while the product costs only $7.03. Shipping cost is free, so you're looking at a great profit margin of $22.96. The next product is for those who poop in public, the plastic toilet seat cover. This allows you to quickly sanitize the toilet seat so you can relieve yourself sitting down comfortably. This is ideal for when you are traveling and your home isn't nearby. It has an almost perfect 4.9 stars on AliExpress and a good amount of orders. Similar products were also winners before on the market. You never know when nature will call. Hikers and campers would definitely love this product. You could sell this for $14.99, while the product costs only $5.88. Shipping is free, so you're looking at a respectable profit margin of $9.11. The next product is for people who want to be musicians but aren't talented enough for piano and guitar, the Mini Kalimba Thumb Piano. It is extremely user-friendly and only takes minutes for any child or adult to master. You can wear it just like a necklace around your neck so you can play music anytime, anywhere. It's got a 4.7-star rating on AliExpress and not yet a lot of orders. It's also getting more popular in Google search engines. This is perfect for people who don't have much patience. You could sell this for $22.99, while the product costs only $4.95. Shipping is $2.89, so you're looking at a good profit margin of $15.15. The next product is for people who love drinking from cans, the Easy Drink Can Opener. It lets you open up any drink without breaking a nail or cutting your fingers. It can be used to cover your drink, to protect them from dirt and insects, and also to color code them so you could easily identify your drink. It has 4.7 stars on AliExpress and not yet a lot of orders. This product is unique and untapped, so you can take advantage of this. This is perfect for people who have expensive manicures. You could sell this for $14.95, while the product costs only $2.75. Shipping is 95 cents, so you're looking at a respectable profit margin of $11.25. The next product is for people who want to lose weight, the Rotating Twisting Plate. This helps you work on your core, butt, and thighs all at the same time. It comes with 2 rope pulls so that you can work on strengthening your arms as well. It has 4.7-star reviews and not yet a lot of orders on AliExpress. Similar products were also winners before on the market. Now is the perfect time to sell this, as people are upping their workouts for their New Year's resolution. You could sell this for $10.69, while the product costs only $4.45. Shipping costs $3.20, so you're looking at a good profit margin of $13.96. Our last product is for people who like to stay organized and keep their stuff fresh, the reusable mason bags. Made with food-grade PE plastic material, environmentally friendly and safe to use. Zipper lock design, easy to open and close, good waterproof and odor-proof effect. It has 4.8 stars on AliExpress and a good amount of orders. Similar products were also winners before on the market. Why settle for boring Ziploc bags when you can get this instead? It helps save the earth and your groceries. That's why it's number 1 on our list. You could sell this for $7 for 4 pieces, while the product costs only 1 penny. Shipping costs 21 cents, so you're looking at a respectable profit margin of $6.78. So that's our top 10 winning products for today. What did you think of these products? Let me know in the comments section. Smash the thumbs up button if you got value from this, and don't forget to hit subscribe so you're always ahead of the game.